Everybody, it's Heather here, and I have a reveal for you and semi-haul video as well. I was able to grab some of the Simply Gilded grab bags, and if you're not familiar with Simply Gilded, I'll have a link in the description, but basically she is, it's a company run by a wonderful woman named Irene. She has incredible artistry. She designs gorgeous planner accessories, and she's very, very famous for her washi tape especially, and it is like the creme de la creme. So if you've ever seen me using the beautiful foiled music note washi tape, that is from her shop. So I'm very, very excited, and I want to let you know I've opened these, but I have not actually pulled anything out or looked at them yet, so this is my actual reaction. I was able to purchase the Sunshine grab bag, which is going to be 8 randomly assorted washi tapes plus 2 accessories. The pink grab bag, which is 9 assorted washi tapes in various sizes and 1 accessory. And the Winter Blues grab bag, which is 11 assorted washi tapes in various sizes. And that comes in a large vegan leather pouch, and it comes with an accessory. I also purchased a number of clearance items from her store, so I will let you know which ones are the grab bag and which ones are just the items that I purchased. I purchased 6 items separate from the grab bags from her store. So I'm going to start with the little one. So I'm going to move this one away. And take all this out. And that's it. So it looks like this is the Sunshine grab bag, and this is the pink grab bag. So let's start with the pink grab bag. So we have this little like journal card. It says reflection, honesty, and clarity. And it's got these lovely florals on it. And her big thing is this beautiful rose gold foil embossing. Just classic. So we'll go ahead and look at the washi. And it looks like we've got some beautiful florals here with silver bows. This is a nice size because you can use this in pretty much any size planner. This one, which is more like this ombre with the silver foil. And here we have these beautiful large pink flowers, and they also have some rose gold foiling happening. Then we have this set here, which is some smaller bow washi, and it comes in these gorgeous muted pastel colors, and I love muted pastels. They're just like between pastels and jewel tone, and they're perfect. So I'm really loving this set, and I love skinny washi, so this is an excellent find. And then we have that kind of rosy floral pattern, but with this beautiful, this is like a copper foil. And here's some more of the medium-sized washi, again in those kind of neutral, dusty pastel hues. And this is the, looks like gold foil. And then we have like the larger version of this one with that bright copper. I really can't say that that's rose gold because I mean, this is rose gold just for reference. Like, this is copper. It's really unique. Speaking of that copper, we have a wood pattern. This is gorgeous. And then we have this it says down the rabbit hole, tea time, queen, royal, let me eat cake. And it has gold foil, and it is this pretty, like, dusty mauve, light pink. So that was all of the washi that we got with this. So that's a really nice variety. And then this looks to be the accessory that came with this, and it's in like a jewelry sack. So I'm wondering if it is one of her jewelry pieces, because she does make bracelets as well. Oh my gosh, that is exactly what it is. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I can't wait to show you. There it is. It's rose gold. And it has her signature bow print. That is amazing. I hardly have any bracelets. I'm really picky about bracelets, but let me tell you, this is awesome. And this is a bracelet I will wear and wear proudly. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I cannot believe I got this in a grab bag. And then on the inside, it has Simply Gilded, and then it says, be a light. Just absolutely beautiful. Not what I was expecting. Not at all. Wow, that is amazing. So that was the pink surprise bag, and we're going to move on to the sunshine bag now. Also, I love all of her packaging, and it's reusable too, so I'm probably going to reuse it for things. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. So we have a little journal card, and it is this bear with a little mushroom. It says nap time. And let's start with this floral washi with this teal, like, blue, bright bows. And I have this in the smaller size and the big. And then we have this, like, color, like, it's like pinkish rose, blue, and yellow with the bright gold. Oh, wow. See, I always think yellow is such a hard thing to find, like, good planner stuff with, because it's such a difficult color, because it's light. So it needs to be really heavily pigmented, and this is right on it. Like, if I put this down in my planner, I'm going to see this yellow, and it is just a super fun pattern. It looks like the polka dots are actually little pink hearts. Let me see if I can focus. And then we get some of her star print washi, the skinny washi, and this is all rose gold, and this one here is rose gold with white stars, and the rest are blue, yellow, and pink, and these are more of a true pastel. This is a little bit of a dusty blue with the rose gold. And here, this kind of reminds me of, like, holidays almost. It's like Christmas colors, like greens with little red bows and gold stars. That's really pretty. And then last but certainly not least, and these are definitely like a true pastel, these are like highlighters. And they have this, I don't want to say that it's a silver foil, it's more like a hollow foil, because it turns different colors. And with that little bow tied pattern. And then we got 2 accessories with this pack. So one of those is the Simply Gilded pen, which I am super psyched because it's gorgeous. So it looks like that. It's got that bow logo on the top, Simply Gilded. It's really, really beautiful. That'll match a lot of my stuff. And then something that I've been thinking about that I literally would never purchase for myself are these pen loops. And she has them in these dusty, like peachy and rose colors with the rose gold. And they're so pretty. So these are vegan leather. So that was the pink pack and the sunshine pack. So now I'm gonna grab the blue. Oh wow. So it comes in this beautiful folio pouch that has this little silver fastener. Beautiful. So let's see what came in here. I love this pouch. Oh my gosh, just she makes lots of beautiful accessories like this, but I really love this because I know that I can fit certain things like in my purse or even carry this as a purse. It's just gorgeous. So this is the Winter Blues. This one's pretty packed full. So I'm gonna try to take everything out here. So we do have this beautiful notepad, and it's got these like floral details. So these are sticky notes. And this one comes with a swan. Oh, I love, 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 love. I love swans. As the little card that's included. And now let's get into the washi. So we've got first this beautiful, it's got different falling stars, and they are like purple and magenta and silver and hollow on this ombre blue and purple background. And here we have those falling stars again. This one's more of a midnight blue, and it's got blue and silver stars falling. Might have to do a Queen of the Night magic flute spread with these. It's coming. And here we have like a winter townscape. And it's in this soft whites and silvers against a bluey, dusty blue background. And here we have some skinny washi. And this one here is, it looks to be like a leopard print, so that might go in a giveaway. Because I don't do leopard print ever. It's not for me, but I do love these here, these dusty hues with the rose gold bows. and some more skinny washi, and this one's a little bit more wide, and it is silver on dark blue and then dark blue on white. But wait, there's more. We have gingham. So we have silver bows on blue gingham. And I have a medium and a large size of that. Then we have forest animals with snowflakes. So these are, looks like to be reindeer and little snowflakes. Then we have the silver foil with the blue bows in the large size and the medium size. And then we just have some, looks like this might be leopard print or polka dot. I can't really tell. The variation's making me think it's supposed to be leopard print, but it is silver on blue. So that's sort of with grab bags. Sometimes you're going to get something you may like. Sometimes it may be something that you're maybe not as interested in. But for the value, I think it's fantastic because her washi and stuff is not cheap. And I adore this. So just a great selection. So in addition to the things that I got in these, I also ordered 6 items from her regular shop that were on sale. She's packaged them up so prettily for me. Thank you. So I love pens, and these are some of my favorite colors. This pink to like a deep fuchsia purple with rose gold accents. Had to have it. So I got this pen. And then she did a collection called The Enchanted Forest, which is one of my favorite collections. And I got a couple washi from that. And this has like a moon with like a mandala over it, and it's like the moon is set against like a green and deep blue sky. It's just a really beautiful print. And my camera is probably not doing it justice. And I'm obsessed with Luna moths. Sorry, hidden my camera here. I'm obsessed with Luna moths, so I had to get her Luna moth washi as well. How gorgeous is that? Then I got some more of the blue florals with pink flowers, and these just have little moons and silver bows on them. Here's like a miniature version of that. Then I also got the antique books, because how could I not? They're so much cooler than regular books, don't you think? That is awesome. And these have like a bright gold on all the binding of the books to make it really pop. And she gave me this little card. And she sent a sampler with my order, so some checklist stickers. She also sent this beautiful bow that is like a blue ombre, and then it has rose gold on the edges. And last but certainly not least, she has vinyl stickers, and they're really cool. So I ordered them. First of all, can we just appreciate how pretty her packaging is? I love pretty packaging. We have just a few. We have Luna here. And we have some different butterflies. The bunny and the moon. And flowers and a crystal. And this is, again, that iridescent holographic foil. So that is everything I got from Simply Gilded for their grab bags and the sale that she had this February. I'm super, super excited. I have 2 new pens now, and they're gorgeous. I've got lots of different color washi, and I was really happy that she included washi, like with the winter, she included like this gingham, so that's definitely something I could use for like outside of winter colors. So there was a good variety of different colors and hues and types of washi, and I feel like I have a nice collection now. So thank you so much, Simply Gilded, for having the grab bag sale. And if you're interested, there's a washi subscription and there is a monthly subscription box. And she also sells things directly on her website, and I'll have the link below. I'm super excited about my bracelet. That was something I wasn't expecting at all. And I cannot wait to start using these in spreads and to decorate things. They are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in an incoming video. Bye.